Well, guys, I got sent here. They are renovating this house. Got sent here to give an estimate to replace the HVAC system and some ducts. That's one thing I don't fuck with, is asbestos. And now, lo and behold, boom! God damn! A gravity furnace. I don't even know where to start. Let's see, serial number. Not sure if it's 1959, cylinder number 59. Yeah, I'm not so sure. It could be. But man, look at this beauty right here. Let me zoom out. It's fucking huge. Damn, look how they built the humidifier back then. We had this box built into the return, and it goes to it. This is all asbestos. Yeah. When they call it an octopus furnace, yeah, it's a fucking beast. Damn. Damn. Let's see the water heater. Even this looks like an antique, just judging by the color of it. You can see the shut off down here. It's a gate valve. Man, I'm still not over this. I was told, oh, hey, can you just give it an estimate? Yeah, of course, yeah. Yeah, I can do that. Well, hell no. Shit. There you have it, brothers. Hey.